Create optical lighting and illumination and laser systems with OpticStudio, the industry-leading optical design software from ZMAX.
This is the OpticStudio user interface. If you look up at the top, we have a customizable set of shortcut keys to open up analyses like here I just opened the FFT MTF. We have a big ribbon bar up at the top here, and it's organized by some of the primary capabilities, including analyze, optimize, tolerance, as well as a set of data libraries. Then over here on the left-hand side, we have a System Explorer, which includes settings that you can easily access to change, for example, the environment settings of your system. And this section can be hidden, as well as the main ribbon bar can be hidden to maximize your workspace. Then here we have a customizable workspace where you can float or dock windows however you'd like to break up your workspace. We have a variety of analysis windows, including the shaded model, which allows you to visualize your 3D system. You can zoom in and out and change the cutting planes to view whichever part of your system is of interest. Looking in the Analyze tab here, you can see we have a variety of other tools. There's a set of system viewers. We also have a comprehensive set of image quality analyses, ranging from analyzing the point spread function or the MTF response to some advanced extended scene analyses like image simulation. We also have a set of tools for simulating lasers and fiber systems. OpticStudio takes into account all polarization effects as well as simulation of thin films and coatings. And then looking further over here in the application section, we have the ghost focus generator, or for example, we have some freeform tools to look at the power across the pupil or by field. Next, we can look in the optimization tab, and you see we have a set of manual adjustment tools like the visual optimizer and the slider that allow you to manually change one parameter at a time. Then we have a set of automatic optimization tools, which will let you build a merit function to optimize your system for whatever conditions you'd like. And then moving further along, we have a set of global optimizers, which are more complex optimizers. These will allow you to substitute all of the materials in your system, as well as running a comprehensive global optimization that searches for the global minimum, or an exhaustive hammer optimization. We also have a full set of tolerancing features, and these tolerancing features are in all editions of OpticStudio. So for example, just like in the optimization tab, we have a tolerancing wizard, and this allows you to automatically build a set of tolerances that can be used to analyze your system. Now, when you do look at our tolerancing features, there are 3 different modes that you can use. We have a sensitivity mode, which will calculate the effects of your predefined tolerances. We also have inverse modes, which allow you to calculate what the tolerances should be based on the criteria that you have selected. Okay. We also have a Monte Carlo simulation capability that looks at the aggregate performance of your system, taking into consideration all of the tolerances at once. So this is a sequential system, but I can very easily convert it to non-sequential. So this is the same system now with a non-sequential representation. With the non-sequential representation, I can trace all possible ray paths, not just the sequential one. Non-sequential in particular has quite a few different libraries available to you, ranging from scatter profiles to source models. Both sequential and non-sequential include a catalog of stock lenses, so you can insert off-the-shelf lenses or design your own. One other feature unique to OpticStudio is what we call the Part Designer. Part Designer is a built-in CAD program. Inside of OpticStudio, you can design CAD parts and optimize them based on whatever optical criteria you have defined. So this has just been a quick overview of some of the capabilities. Note that I haven't even touched on the programming capabilities, but if you have any other questions, there's a button to contact us right here in the Help tab. We also have an interactive help system as well as a getting started guide, which includes an excellent set of tutorials to get you started and walk you through the user interface.